Kampala, an important time in Uganda's capital. Heads of state of African nations were arriving for the East and Central African Summit Conference. Among the first to be greeted by President Obote was the Emperor of Ethiopia, Haile Selassie. But before getting down to the serious business on the agenda, there was the traditional African welcome for the arriving VIPs. The dance of welcome was well received by the Emperor, who then set out through the gaily decorated streets of the city for the Parliament building, where the talks were held. The big African summit talks had a long and controversial agenda to be got through during the three-day meeting. President Obote preceded Sudan's President El Ashari into the conference room. President Kayibanda of Rwanda. Next came President Bokassa of the Central African Republic. From Tanzania, Julius Nyerere. The leading powers of Black Africa had come in force for the talks. Representing the Congo was Kinshasa Mobutu. The gathering was almost at full strength, eager to commence the talks, which took in the issue of an overall government for the African continent. Unity was the aim of all attending, including Kenya's strongman, Jomo Kenyatta. So, 13 top men, representing the newer nations of Africa, sat down together to thrash out ways of pooling their economic wealth and bringing about a formidable association of strength in a troubled continent.